Hi alle sammen. Hello everyone. Today we will give you a comprehensive guide to capital letter usage in Norwegian. Norwegian capitalization rules are critical for learning the language, communicating clearly and presenting professionally written work in Norwegian. In our discussion, we will examine when to use capital letters in Norwegian, enhancing your linguistic skills and overall understanding. Proper nouns, people, places, and organizations. Capitalization is crucial when referring to proper nouns, which are specific names for individuals, locations, and entities. Examples include people's names. Anna Solberg, Anna Solberg, Anna Solberg. Erling Braut Haaland, Erling Braut Haaland, Erling Braut Haaland. Place names. Oslo, Oslo, Oslo. Lofoten, Lofoten, Lofoten. Norge, 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 Norway. Organizations and institutions. Universitetet i Oslo, Universitetet i Oslo, Universitetet i Oslo, the University of Oslo. Stortinget, 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 the Norwegian Parliament. Røde Kors, Røde Kors, Røde Kors. Red Cross. Titles and honorifics. When used with a person's name, titles and honorifics, they are capitalized. However, when used generically, they are not. Here are some examples. Capitalized with name. Kong Harald, Kong Harald, Kong Harald, King Harald. Statsminister Jonas Gahr Støre, Statsminister Jonas Gahr Støre, Statsminister Jonas Gahr Støre, Prime Minister Jonas Gahr Støre. Not capitalized in general usage. En konge, en konge, en konge, a king. En statsminister, en statsminister, en statsminister, a prime minister. Days, months, and holidays. In Norwegian, days of the week, months, and names of holidays are not capitalized, contrary to English conventions. Days of the week. Mandag, 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 Monday. Tirsdag, 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 Tuesday. Onsdag, 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 Wednesday. Months. Januar, 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 January. Februar, 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 February. Mars, 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 March. Holidays. Jul, Jul, Jul. Christmas. Påske, påske, påske. Easter. Nasjonaldagen, nasjonaldagen, nasjonaldagen. National Day. First word in a sentence. As in English, the first word in a sentence should always be capitalized in Norwegian. Example, Hun går til skolen. Hun går til skolen. Hun går til skolen. She walks to school. Abbreviations and acronyms. When using abbreviations and acronyms, capitalize all letters to maintain clarity. NAV. 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 Arbeids- og velferdsforvaltningen. Arbeids- og velferdsforvaltningen. Arbeids- og velferdsforvaltningen. The Norwegian Labour and Welfare Administration. EU. 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 Den europeiske union. Den europeiske union. Den europeiske union. EU. The European Union. FN. 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 De Forente Nasjoner. De Forente Nasjoner. De Forente Nasjoner. UN. The United Nations. Product names and brands. Product names and brands are generally capitalized in Norwegian, as they are considered proper nouns. For example, Tine, Tine, Tine. Freya, Freya, Freya. Tesla, Tesla, Tesla. Common mistakes and how to avoid them. Some common capitalization errors in Norwegian include capitalizing common nouns. So in Norwegian, common nouns are not capitalized unless they begin a sentence. Another problem is over-capitalizing. Avoid capitalizing all words in a title or heading, as Norwegian uses sentence-style capitalization. Your Norwegian capitalization skill will improve significantly by being mindful of these common mistakes and adhering to the above rules. Understanding and applying Norwegian capitalization rules is essential for clear communication and professional presentations. Following the guidelines outlined in our discussion today, we have sought to help you improve your linguistic abilities and avoid common errors. So whether you're writing a formal document and a personal letter or conversing in Norwegian, mastering capitalization will help you improve your overall fluency and confidence in the language. Remember always to capitalize proper nouns such as names of people, places, and organizations, titles and honorifics when used with a person's name, the first word in a sentence, abbreviations and acronyms, product names and brands. Conversely, do not capitalize days of the week, months, and holidays, common nouns, unless they are the first word in a sentence, and titles and honorifics when used generically. You can now use Norwegian capitalization rules in your writing and communication. Continue to practice and improve your skills, as mastering these rules will lead to a better understanding and appreciation of the Norwegian language. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.